Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Adobe After Effects animation course. In previous class, we talked about system requirements of Adobe After Effects and introduction to Adobe After Effects software interface. And in this class, I will talk about how to import assets in Adobe After Effects and how to make new composition. So let's get started. So first of all, what is assets? Anything that is used in the video that you can see in the video, you can hear in the video is called assets. For example, audio, background music, voiceover, images, video, pictures, photos, everything is assets in the Adobe After Effects. So there are different ways to import assets in Adobe After Effects. I will tell you all of them. So we will start from the first way, which is from the file, and here from you can select import multiple files from libraries, and normally we use file, and we don't need to look the other options. We just pick file in the start. So click on file and select any file from this. So we will select this video file and import it. You can see this video is here in the project menu, project window. So this is the first method, and the second method is you right click on the project window, and from here you import and file. From here you can also import any file. We select here a pencil and import it. You can see pencil is here in the project window. The other method is shortcut key. You need to click Control I, and it will be open a new window from where you can select your asset. And the other method is you just drag and drop the file in the project window. So here you can see the file is in the project window and the file has been imported. So these are few methods you can use to import assets in the Adobe After Effects. So this is how we import our assets, and the next step is how to create new composition. So there are different methods to make a new composition. I will talk about some of them. The first method is just click on this new composition, and there will be a new window opened from where you can set up the settings of the new composition. The other method is you need to click on this composition and new composition. From here the same window will open and you can set up settings here. And the last method I will talk about is Control N, is a shortcut key. When you press Control N, the same window will be opened, and I will talk about some settings of this window now. So here on the top you can set the composition name. I will suggest you to set up a proper name so you can uh, see what is in the composition without opening it. So I will name it as main composition, main comp. After that, you will see these three tabs: basic, advanced, and 3D render. We will not work in these two right now. We will just be staying in this basic method. From here you see presets. These are some pre-made settings of the compositions. You can make 2K video, 4K film settings, HD. I will set custom because we want to set up our own settings. So from here you set height and width of the video. So normally the full HD video width is 1920 and height is 1080. So this is our full HD specification, full HD video height and width. And here you can see a check button. If you check this button and you change the height and width, if you change the only width, the height will automatically be changed according to this width. But if you do not check this button, you need to set them both separately. 1920 1080 is our standard HD height and width. Here is a pixel aspect ratio. You don't need to change it. Here you see frame rate. That means how many frames per second you want to see. The more frames, the smoother animation is. But in videos, HD videos, you need to set 60 frames per second. But in animation, you need to set 30 frames per second. And here you can set the duration of the composition. From here this 10 second is automatically set. I will keep it 10 seconds, and other start time code you don't need to change it. From here background color, you need to set background color. custom background color. Press OK and OK. So you see this is our new composition with red background. You can also change the composition settings later. For example, we already made this composition. You can see this composition in the project window. You can always change these composition settings. How? I will tell you how. From here you need to right click on the composition and click on composition settings, and these settings will be open, and I will change the background color to white, and you can see the color has been changed. The other matter is you need to click composition and composition settings, and you can change anything from this window. So as you can see, the new composition has been made. Now I will put some assets in the composition. I will tell you how you can do it. So you need to drag and drop this asset in the timeline. So this is timeline window. You drag and drop this in the timeline. So you can see the new layer has been added and the asset has been added in the composition. You can also add the other asset. You need to drag and drop it in the timeline. So here you can see the asset, and you can see this asset is overlapping the pencil. So you can change it. This is because this asset layer is above the pencil asset. So if you want to put pencil on the top, you need to drag and drop this layer on the top. I will talk about these layer system in the next videos. So this video is finished. So if you like this video, please subscribe to channel so you can watch the upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.